So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals that are recently had a price drop here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go press on your location. I will use New York City in this example. So once your location is selected, I want you to go to this top left area to where all the filters are. I want you to go ahead and press on deals right here. Now, if you want to go to where it says price drop and make sure that is selected, it's now going to be showing you listings or rentals that just recently underwent a price drop. So once you press on that, you can go ahead and refine your search. And now what you're going to be seeing is listings that recently had a price drop. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find rentals that recently had a price drop on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.